This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jody Kaplan. Your condo by the SCA nestled between the beach and intercoastal offers both slips or sand in your toes. Recent complete renovation, with costal designer dcor, is offered turnkey furnished. Your second floor home by the SCA has it all with a spacious, well-appointed chef's granite stainless kitchen west/adjacent breakfast room den, porcelain tile floors, open dining area and living room, laundry room and lots of storage. Enjoy sunsets from your private screen porch west/electric and manual storm shutters. Savor fabulous sunrise and sunset views over Vanderbilt Bay and the Gulf of Mexico and a private deeded gate and a paved walkway to award-winning Vanderbilt Beach less than 100 yards away. This gated bayside building conveniently located near world-class shopping, dining and entertainment, enjoys secure access, private parking, large pool, 2 tennis courts, thatched roof chickee hut social picnic and barbecue area, bocce court, boat docks available to rent or buy and the most reasonable quarterly fees on the beach. Perfect for an owner-occupant or investor, this property comes with a very liberal rental policy and condo dues of $6,600 annually cover your costs. Best rental location in Naples. For more information, review the details below.